I'm Matt from Giltrap Ag. Today I'm here with the Duncan DD30. The DD30 is a double disc ear seeder and it's set up as a 23 run machine on 5-inch row spacings or 125mm row spacings. We also do its big brother version, which is a DD35, and it's same, it's on 5-inch or 125mm row spacings, and it's a 27 run machine. I'm going to tell you a few things about the DD30 today to help make a decision to see whether this drill is right for you. So up front on the DD30 we have a hydraulic fan and a heat exchanger. So the hydraulic fan is made by a company in Australia called Small Air, who are renowned for making very high quality air systems. So this fan has a steel shroud on it, which is much more sturdy than some of the plastic variations you will see on other air seeders, and it's also hydraulically driven. Beside it we have a heat exchanger. Now what this does, this is there for two reasons. So the first reason is all the air that's being sucked into the fan is getting sucked in through this heat exchanger, which is heating the air up, which is then keeping the whole air system, especially where the seed and fertilizer deliver, it's keeping all that nice and dry. And secondly, it's also helping cool the oil down as it goes through the fan and back to the tractor. So it acts as a cooling radiator as well. So the DD30 is a double disc drill. So as you can see, there's a scallop disc that's leading a plain disc by about 30 mils. The scallop disc is cutting up the trash and creating a slot with a bit of tilt in it, and then the plain disc is working beside it by just holding that slot open to drop the seed in. Behind it, you got options. You either have a press wheel, or you can have harrows, or a roller, or a combination of all three. The other beauty of the DD30 is its lack of wearing parts. It's a very maintenance friendly machine. So there's only one pivot point on the DD30, and that's in here. And that's got a pin through it with brass bushes in there. So that's the only pivot point and moving part you've got to worry about when it comes to its ground following. This DD30 is set up with Jockey Wheel drive. So as soon as you lower the machine, this Jockey Wheel makes contact with the ground wheel, and that engages the drive system and starts turning the metering units to dispense the seed. We also do an electric drive system which removes all this, and it's run by electric motors powered from the cab of the tractor. The DD30 runs an Accord style metering unit, which is well renowned for being highly accurate and very easy to use. Up top on the DD30 we have twin 700 litre hoppers. The hoppers have got the distributor heads inside them. This is one to keep the hoses away from obstructions like tree branches that overhang paddocks, and secondly it keeps the sun off the hoses and keeps them in good nick. Up the very front we have a grate, and that's for straining your fertilizer through. If you're using a fert that's a wee bit rough, it just keeps the lumps out of the metering units. So there we have it. That's the Duncan DD30 and the DD35. We offer a range of options to suit these drills, so you can spec them up to suit your individual requirements. If you need more information on the Duncan drills, it's all there on our website and with a lot more detail. This is another great piece of quality engineering from the Duncan factory in Timaru. Thanks for watching.